This is the complete guide on how to connect Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain. Metamask is one of the most famous crypto wallets in the market. That's why it's crucial to learn how to operate it. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I will show you how to build crypto wallet like Binance with simple method. So how can we start using the Binance Smart Chain in our Metamask wallet? Let's open the website and I'll show you that now. And this is under the assumption that you already have Metamask installed. If you don't, comment on your country below. I will make a full tutorial showing you how to set that up in further detail, but I'll run you through this real quick. So I'm going to install this on my Brave browser. So I'm going to head across to Metamask or IO, then click on to download in the top right-hand side, and Metamask can be downloaded on the likes of Chrome, Firefox, or iOS and Android if you're a mobile user. I'm going to go ahead and install Metamask for Brave, then add to Brave and confirm. I want to add the extension. So once you've added Metamask to your browser, you can get started. Now you'll be prompted to either import a wallet or create a new one. I'm going to create a new one, then you can agree or decline to gather usage data. You'll need to enter a password. You're then prompted to write down your secret backup phrase, which you're going to need to keep somewhere safe. As if someone gains access to these words, they'll then have complete control over your crypto. And this is used to back up and restore your account. Once you've written those down, you'll be prompted to confirm the words and place them in the correct order. And when that's all done, you can see here that you can swap tokens directly within Metamask. However, we want to connect up the Binance Smart Chain. Now, I don't personally recommend keeping crypto or definitely not large amounts on Metamask. I simply use mine as a portal to my Ledger or Trezor hardware wallet, which is the safest way to keep your crypto. They also have a lot of promotions running, which may differ at the time that you're watching this video, but I'll always keep you updated on the latest offers on our website, blog.rolladell.com. Now, the first thing you'll see is that we're currently looking at an Ethereum wallet and a connected Ethereum mainnet, and this won't work with the Binance Smart Chain dApps. Worse still, you could potentially lose your funds by sending them to addresses that you can't actually use. So we need to point our Metamask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain nodes. If we head across to the circle icon in the top right and head down to settings. From here, we need to go to networks on the left-hand side of the screen, then select add network at the top. So this is where we can manually add the Binance Smart Chain, as unfortunately, it doesn't come with Metamask. Now, one thing to mention here is that there are actually two networks that we can add, and this is either the mainnet or the testnet. The mainnet is the one that you're most likely needing to add here, and the testnet is essentially a test environment for the Binance chain, and it's used for app developers or testers to experiment without having to use their main blockchain. So if you're adding the mainnet, you'll need to add the following details, which you can also find over on the Binance Academy. So we'll need to enter in the network name, which is Smart Chain. We'll need to enter in the new RPC URL, the chain ID, which is this, the symbol, which is BNB, then the Blockchain Explorer URL 2. Then once you've completed that, you can then click on to save at the bottom of the screen. And if you need to add the testnet network to again, the information is over on the Binance Academy. Then, once you've saved the network, if we head back to the main view by clicking on the X icon, you'll notice two things. First, that the network has automatically been set to the smart chain that we've just added. Also that the units are no longer showing in ETH, but instead they're showing up as BNB. Now, if the Ethereum logo is showing below your account, don't worry, as we're now connected to the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. And I'll just quickly show you now how to receive funds into our Metamask wallet, now using the Binance Smart Chain. So, I've got some BNB over on Binance that I'm going to send across to this wallet. We'll need to enter in our Metamask address into the recipient address here. So let's head back to our Metamask wallet and copy that to our clipboard by hovering over account 1 at the top of the screen here and then clicking. You then have two options, which is which network you'd like to use, and you'll need to select the smart chain. If you use the Binance chain instead, you'll see here that you are receiving a warning stating that the address does not match the network, and this is because we've added the Binance Smart Chain, so we're going to need to select that instead. And as it states, you'll need to confirm the platform or the application that you're withdrawing to support the Binance Smart Chain network, which it does. You'll also need to confirm that you understand that you will lose your assets should you send these incorrectly. Then finally confirm that you're familiar with the smart chain by answering a question. I'm going to withdraw 0.01 BNB here, and just be aware that you'll need to pay your fees in BNB. And if I submit my withdrawal, and if I head back to Metamask, you can see that my BNB is now showing. And that literally just took a couple of minutes to transfer. So now that I have my funds in my wallet, I can use that balance to use DeFi applications such as PancakeSwap to swap my assets with lower fees than using the likes of the Ethereum network. And I will make a full tutorial available for PancakeSwap if you're interested in finding out more, then hit the subscribe button so that you will be the first person to get notified anytime I drop it. Now that's how you can connect up your Metamask wallet with the Binance Smart Chain. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video today, and as I promised, watch this video showing on your screen now to learn how to create your own crypto wallet like Binance. In the video, I explained step-by-step guide you can use to create a Binance website from beginning to finish. Thanks, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.